Hi everybody, today we will pick a very common Italian padlock. This is a padlock potent, top security, as they say, model number 2750. It retails around 10 euros. It's obviously a 50mm brass. It's not key-retaining. It works perfectly. This is the key. Very simple beating. It has 2 slots on the shackle. I tried to shim it, but since I have just Chinese shims, I didn't manage it. But I don't think you can do it. I tried also to bypass it, but nope. It's a 5-pinner, and now we will try to pick it. Just a minute. We are ready. Let's try to pick it. Okay. In hand and American style. Three, something on 3. Something on 4, again on 3, 2, little click, this was 5, this is 3, little click on 2, just touch it under 1, okay, touch it number 1 again, number 3, slight move on the cord, number 3 again, and it's open. Okay. Since it's impossible to get it, we will try and give it a go on raking too. But I need to be on this side. Let's try and see. And we have another open. So, this was potent, model number 2750, picked and raked. That's it. Bye bye.